If you are receiving the error message "We can't send your money right now" on PayPal, here are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Ensure that you have sufficient funds in your PayPal balance or linked bank account/credit card to cover the transaction amount. Your account may need to be fully verified before you can send money. Make sure your email address, phone number, and other personal details are accurate and up to date.
To verify, click on your profile icon.
Tap on Personal Info and ensure your email, phone, and address are correctly entered. If you're using the PayPal app, clearing the cache can fix temporary glitches. You can also try switching to a different device, desktop instead of mobile, or browser to see if the issue persists. Sometimes, the issue may be with a specific funding source, like a linked bank account or credit card. Try linking a different bank or card by going to Wallet, add a card/bank to link a new funding method. Double-check that the recipient's email address or phone number is entered correctly. Even a small typo can prevent the transaction from going through. Your PayPal account may have limitations or restrictions that prevent sending money. Go to the Resolution Center to see if any action is required on your part. If none of the above steps work, contact PayPal customer support for further assistance. They can help investigate technical or account-related problems that may be causing the issue.